I'm Mike Zagrossi, and I'm the Vice President of Operations supporting the Link NYC project. And I work for Intersection, which is a media technology company delivering outdoor advertising solutions for public and private spaces. The biggest challenges when I first started with this project was really providing management reporting in terms of overall progress of the project, but then also being able to track at an individual level to understand what's happening at a specific site and how that site is progressing relative to the project milestones and critical tasks. So we have really three key parts of our operation. One is the deployment of new assets. So we're sending contractors out to install and connect assets to both fiber and power infrastructure. The second part of our operation is the actual maintenance of those assets out in the street in terms of cleaning them, providing any routine maintenance like swapping out filters and things like that. And then the third leg of our operation is related to the repair of any of the specific devices that are either damaged or have failed in the field. So I would say that Sitetracker has done three important things for us. One is, from a very high level, it's provided us with visibility to the project as a whole so that we can understand the different stages of the project and how they're progressing. The second thing is it's allowed us to be able to get more real-time updates as it relates to what's happening out in the field by leveraging Sitetracker Mobile. And the third piece is really to capture more data so that we can have a better understanding and look at metrics around what's happening in the field and then also develop workflows off of that. The flexibility of Sitetracker has allowed us to be able to expand into those other markets and to other asset types. With those other markets, we used to previously manage the deployment and the maintenance of those assets using either Excel or Google Sheets, and it was very disparate and the information was not consolidated in one place. It was really hard for us from a broad-based perspective to be able to understand all of our projects, how they were progressing relative to each other, and then also be able to properly prioritize our resources as well as our capital to make sure that we're properly deploying the assets in the timeframes that we need to. As Sitetracker has continued to expand their product overall, we've been able to grow with Sitetracker as our operation has continued to develop into being able to provide maintenance capabilities as well as repair capabilities in the field. So Sitetracker has been a natural partner for us, both from a technology standpoint, but also from a product standpoint, and able to gear their product to the needs of our overall operation.